Hello guys and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are going to read the sad Shrek story, so let's go. Okay, so Shrek is asleep and here is his donkey. I really forgot his name. Wakes up cutely. Okay. Oh no, he has to go to school. Oh my god, Shrek has to go to school and he's late. No, please, no bully. Oh my god, it's Shrek, ha ha ha, he's so fat and stinky. Not gonna lie, he looks kinda cool. Not gonna. The bully looks kinda cool. Beats up cutely, dines. Oh no, he killed Shrek. What did you do? Why did you kill Shrek? Oh my god, I feel so sad for Shrek. Oh my god, he's at the hospital. What happened? Oh my god. You are in the hospital because you got dying. Oh no, man. Shrek is dying. Okay, I watch real awesome ASMR Huggy Wuggy Among Us. Oh, he is watching ASMR, so that's okay. Oh, me feel no goodie. Oh my god. Shrek doesn't feel good. I hope he's okay. Dead. Oh no! He died? He's only 30 years old. I think. He's 30 years old, I think. Oh my god, Shrek dead, no help. I know, I'm so sad. He's dead here. What the hell is this image? Gets revived because rain and it's healthy. Oh yeah, rain is healthy. Me finally home so good here. And here is his donkey again, which I don't know what he is doing in the house. Wakes up cutely. I need to get revenge on Bully. Oh yeah, Shrek is going to do it. Die. Lol, it's Shrek ugly boy again. Wait, why do you have a shotgun? He is dead. And Shrek made it. Shrek killed him. Oh my god, you killed Bully. I be your girl. Okay. Oh yeah, Shrek got a girlfriend. And she is so cute. 2 years later. We so rich. Yes. They made it. We go sleep. Okay. Sleep. I need to check on his computer. Oh no. Is Shrek cheating? Oh my god, I can't believe she cheats. I'm gonna kill him. No, why did Shrek do that? Hello, Mary. I wake up. Give me food now. Oh, he's hungry. What did she do? She broke the table. And where is Shrek? Oh, never mind. He's right here. You are bad. You cheat. You noob, I have superpowers. What? How does Shrek have superpowers? Wait, what? Haha, yes, I did because I'm not Shrek. Then who is he? No, I'm actually Louis. What? And the real Shrek is trapped? What did Louis do? Louis, you are so bad. No, kills. No, poor Shrek girlfriend. Please help me, I got trapped while I sleep. Oh my god, the rope. Can we climb on it? Yeah. Oh my god, Peter. I'm here to save you, Shrek. Oh, so Peter is actually good? Thanks, Peter. Destroy jail. Let's go to city. I will explain later. Okay, so let's see what actually happened. Go. Okay, so now they are escaping, and now Peter will explain everything. We escaped. Now I will explain what happened. Okay, let's see what happened. Louis trapped you and killed your girl. Oh my god, what? No, oh my god, poor Shrek. I think he's so sad now. We need to get revenge. Yes, let's do it. I know where she is, but we have to defeat her guards. Grrr, I know karate. Louis won't win. Who are they? Kill them. Come on, Shrek and Peter. You are going to do it. Dodges. Epic kick. Oh my god, Shrek did it. And Peter did it too. So they are going to win the fight. Pick up the gun. Let's go. So Louis has a 0% chance of killing them. I hate you. It's time to end this, Louis. Peter, you betrayed me. That's what you deserve. That's what you deserve. Shoot. Yes, that's what you deserve, Louis. Thanks, Peter. You are very good. We are friends now. You are safe now. Yes, Peter did. Let's get out. Yeah. You guys did it. Mwah. Thanks, Peter, for all you did. Now I have a family. Oh my god, Shrek has a family. She has a girlfriend too. Actually, don't mind me. And what's that? A bacon drowning. Yo, save this bacon. The end. So that was the story. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.